see it's true. God kept His word and brought me through. The nights were long, but I still believe His promise more than I could see. Now every breath my heart knows who. I waited all my life for you. I pray for you, you pray for me before our hearts had eyes to see. Now faith and love have found their place. Two souls made one by boundless grace. I prayed for you. Every tear was not in vain. Every weight was worth the pain. He wrote our story line by line and called it wholly yours and mine. I pray for you, you pray for me, and love became our melody. Now every vow we speak is true. God heard our heart.